Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be going over how to make $100 per day on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech, and in this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and I also talk a lot about making passive income. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links down below in the description to everything that I talk about in this video. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So a lot of people have started creating YouTube videos, and a lot of people are interested in learning how to make money through YouTube, through the ad revenue and other ways as well. So in this video, I'm going to break it down and show you what you need to do to be able to make at least $100 daily with YouTube. I'm going to show you some screenshots and proof of what I'm making so that we can calculate some numbers and figure out what you need to do to be able to make at least $100 a day on YouTube. I'm making a little bit more than $100 a day on YouTube, but we'll do some calculations so that you can figure out exactly what you need to do to be able to make at least $100 per day. But before we jump into the computer so that I can show you, I'm going to go over a couple of ways that you can actually make money on YouTube. So the number one way that you're going to make money on YouTube is through the ad revenue, through the Google Adsense. By placing ads on your videos, you're going to make money for your views. So that's the main way that you're going to make money on your YouTube videos. Number one, AdSense. Another way that you can make money through your YouTube videos is by doing affiliate marketing. So you can affiliate market other products through places like Amazon Marketplace or other websites that you may be interested in promoting other people's products. There are so many websites that you can affiliate market for. Big websites also like Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, and big retailers as well like Walmart, Best Buy. All of these big companies, most big companies nowadays have an affiliate program on their website so that you can affiliate market their products. Another way you can make money online through YouTube is by promoting your own physical or digital products on your YouTube videos. So similar to affiliate marketing, you're going to be sending traffic away from your YouTube channel and into your website to sell them on your products. You can sell them your merch, or you can sell them physical products your niche audience is interested in, or you can sell them digital products, informational products that your niche audience may also be interested in. And this way you'll be receiving more profit off of each sale than you would with affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing, you're just going to be getting paid a commission for bringing in the sales. Whereas if you're selling your own physical or digital products, you can mark up the price as high as you want and have more control over the amount of profit you make on each sale. And another way that you can make money through YouTube is by having sponsored deals. So this will take some time though for you to start getting sponsored deals. You will have to be getting more views and more subscribers. Companies will start reaching out to you with an interest for you to review their products. A lot of times they will actually send you products for free, and you can charge them a per video basis. You can charge them for a special segment in each video where you will promote that product and charge them a certain fee for each video, or you can create an entire video based around their product and charge them a higher fee for that as well. So many different ways that you can work with sponsorship companies that are willing to pay you to promote their product. All right, so now that I have covered a couple different ways that you can make money through YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and jump in my computer and show you how I'm doing it so that we can calculate some numbers and see what you would need to do to make at least $100 daily. Let's go. We're going to base these numbers off of my YouTube channel. So these are going to be real numbers, but keep in mind that it is going to be different for every YouTube channel because the price of ads differ from the type of content that you're putting out. So my content is more tech related content. So the CPM on this type of content will be different from content, let's say for entertaining kids or for comedy or content for financial advice. You know, that type of content usually pays more since it's related to money. So we're going to base these numbers off of my content, which should be right in the middle. So it's going to be a good average to base our numbers off of. All right, so this is how it works. So as you can see here, my channel has received about 2,945,000 views in the past 30 days. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull up the calculator here and we're going to divide my revenue, which is 10,173. All right, and we're going to divide that by the total amount of views, which was 2,945,637. Once we hit equal, so that right there is going to be my RPM, which stands for revenue per mil, which is revenue per 1,000 views. CPM is the actual amount that the advertisers are paying per 1,000 views. So since Google keeps about 45% of that, we would just add that onto this, but that's not the number we're trying to find here. I'm going to show you exactly how many views you need to get on a daily basis to be able to make at least $100 daily. So since this right here is my CPM, keep in mind, this is not exact. This changes and varies over time, but this is an estimate of what it was in the past 30 days. So what we would do here is we would multiply this by 1,000, and that's going to be my RPM. So it's $3.45 per 1,000 views. $3.45 per 1,000 views. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this number, which is $3.45, and we're going to divide it by 100. So 100 divided by 3.45 equals 28.985. So you would multiply this times 1,000, and that's the amount of views you're going to need to get to make minimum $100 daily on YouTube, straight through the ad revenue. So like I said, once again, this is for my channel, which is a tech related channel. This is going to be different for every single channel, so it's not exact, but this is a very good estimate, and these are the exact numbers for my channel. So if I was to get 28,985 views at $3.45 per 1,000 views, that's going to equal out to $100 daily. Let's do that again. So 28,000, let's say 500 views times 0.00345, it's gonna be $98. So yeah, pretty much like $100 daily. So as long as you get 28 to 29,000 views daily on your YouTube channel, you should be making $100 daily. Now, like I said, keep in mind, YouTube ad revenue isn't the only way to make money on YouTube. So you can make $100 through YouTube much easier. You don't need that 28,000 views every single day. You can have less views and be affiliate marketing products on your videos, which will link them and make commissions off of each sale. Also, like I mentioned, you can also sell your own physical or digital products, or you can do a paid sponsorships and make money through that as well. So to get $100 daily online through YouTube is actually pretty easy. You just need to start putting content out, and the more content you put out, the more you'll be noticed and you will drive more traffic to whatever it is that you're trying to sell. And obviously the more views you will be getting and the more ad revenue you will be getting as well. If what you want to make is $100 straight on YouTube, then what you're going to be looking at that you're going to need is around 28 to 29,000 views daily. However, this could be more or this could be less depending on the type of content that you put out. If you put out financial content, probably you're not going to need that many views. It'll probably be less and it'll still make you $100 daily. If you're making entertainment type of content, you may need to actually get even more views than that. So that is it for this video. Hope you got something valuable out of it. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace.